Okay guys, so we're gonna do a product picture for our, excuse the mess, we just got a new shipment. We're doing some new stuff for our brand, but anyways, we're gonna go ahead and take some product picture of these two. Yeah, for those of you who don't know, this is a gua sha, or you can pronounce it gua sha. It's a gua sha. It's a Japanese tool that's used to define your feature, your face feature, like sculpt your face, and it's also used to lift and just improve skin tissues and muscles. So this can be used daily or twice a day, depending on how often you want to use it. And you can also refrigerate it, so it can be a little bit cold. It's similar to the roller, to the stone roller, or not, to the crystal roller. It's similar to the roller that if you're into like skincare, you've probably seen it a lot. But anyways, this is it. And when you're looking for one, make sure it's thick enough. And I prefer the heart shape, so you could like go through some corners of your face, but I'll do on how to use a video soon. But today we're just taking some product picture for it, and I thought I would use this pink background, and I'm also gonna drop some roses. So I actually have this bouquet of roses that I got a while ago, and it's dying. So what I usually do before it completely dies off, I take some rose petals or some of the flower petals. Like this one is still good, I'll definitely use this, and I'll use it for my product pictures. So I'm gonna take some of them. Oh, poor rose. Anyways, I got some few of them. I'm gonna rearrange it so nothing fancy, just my ring light and my phone. So yeah, if you're starting a business, please don't go wasting your stuff. Please don't go wasting money on fancy equipment. Use what you can at the moment. You know, use them as best as you could, and then yeah, so ring light for now, and then maybe in the future would hire a fancy photographer with a whole fancy setup. That's what we got for now. These are the boxes. They will be coming in when you purchase them. It has a little protection, just a little bit, but I'll still protect it a little bit more because I don't want it to break when it comes. It shouldn't break easily, but just to be sure. But it will come in like this. So it will come in like this. I'll probably, and then we'll close it. Of course, it does jiggle around, but that's okay. And then my card here. Yeah, I like the box, the black box. When you get it, you open it, and you can use this box to, like, you can get rid of this thing, or you can keep it in to give it a little bit more cushion, and then use this box to store the gua sha inside, so that you have a place for it, because it's gonna last a while. Like, I doubt you'll ever buy another gua sha in your life unless you lose it or somehow break it. Then this can really last a while. So yeah, that's that. This is a box. Yeah, we're gonna sanitize everything, and then hi. I thought it would be nice for you to see my face, but anyways, the gua sha will be available on my Etsy shop as soon as this video is up. I'm gonna edit my photos, crop them and stuff. The editing is mostly cropping them into like a nice spot, and then I'll go ahead and list them on my Etsy shop. I am working on my website. Very soon it'll be up, still tweaking it here and there, But yeah, the gua sha will be coming up very soon, and also the video on how to use it, because you need to know how to use it, which is very important. You don't want to get a tool that you don't even know how to use. So I used to have a bit of like usually when you gain weight, this part also gains weight. So the more weight you gain, the bigger it gets. For some of us, some people do gain a lot of weight and their face still looks very small, which is a good thing because it doesn't happen to a lot of us. But for those of you like me who their face doesn't shrink when their body is expanding, we like to use some natural skincare tools to help us maintain our facial figure. The other way of maintaining your body figure, obviously, is exercising and eating healthy and all that good stuff. That's really hard for us to do sometimes because you have to find the courage, and also you have to be consistent. So some of us do fail on that. If you want to do something with your face, about your face, just go ahead and use these little tools that we have been blessed with to maintain our facial figure. That's literally what the gua sha is. It's maintaining your facial figure, toning it, not toning it as in like the skin color, but like toning it, like sculpting it, into a really nice sculpture. We are made out of mud. From ash we came, ash we shall return. Anyways, we are ashes. Literally, we're just ashes. And all I'm gonna say is we're ashes. Our body is ashes. That's just formed into this body. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and edit. We're gonna go ahead and edit the video. And look at, I still have my protective style from that hair video. If you haven't seen that, please go ahead and click so you can see how I twisted this crazy hair of mine. But nevertheless, let's go ahead and edit the videos. Let's go ahead and, we gotta edit some videos too. Let's go ahead and edit some videos and edit these photos so we can make it available for you guys to purchase it. I've been getting a lot of questions about, to make this gua sha available on my Etsy shop. So there it is. For those of you who've been asking through the DMs and messages, please go ahead and purchase them. I did get a very limited amount, so once it sells out, I will purchase more. But that's it for now. I'll see you again in my next one. Amahoro.